Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, the first thing that he started with the Nisi, let's just unpack what there's a record today. And the Senzomewa trial at High Court in Pretoria. Accused number 3 is 10 to speak. So he's just like, when the statement when the car is moving. And the first thing Nisi also started with today was the AVL report, something we've been waiting for. Accused number 1, his last words were, when he was on the stand, where are the AVL reports? So I want guys, abantu abaletha ama-AVL reports and stop making up stories. Brigadier Kinindabino Baloyi, Advocate George Baloyi, that whole thing. Oh no, the other cars, no, actually they were not fitted with the AVLs. At Brigadier Kininda, their PM was my PM. You know, it has no AVL reports. These people. You remember, accused number 1, accused number 1, they took him to some secluded place, which was a steel warehouse at some stage. And I don't think it's still been operating that steel warehouse. They took him there to shapa him, more him, do stuff to him. That is why he was just like, if I'm AVL. And you know, their question every time is like, Atumni say, do you know accused number 1? I said, no. I was just like, what's it before? I didn't even know Uchunjan, but I mean, even now, the answer wasn't the one. I think he should have just said, I must, and move on, you know? The first time I met him at Boxback, that's it. Kininda's fairy tale, honestly, it's like a nightmare. It needs to stop at some stage. I'm just like, at some stage, George Roxy were short of the person that came into Kelly's house, or should I say, Kelly's mom's house, Undomzod. And the Uyasho accused number 3, my dreadlocks were long. Yeah, and the person was dark. Like how Umnisi used to say in 2024, this person is not brown. This person is light. Brown. How are they brown? Hey, guys, you know what? Like, it's so crazy. You know, and Kona, it does help ukuthi bayazikhulumela manje. But sometimes you just feel like, can we just stop with this? They must just be acquitted. And someone was just saying ukuthi Uchawuke is gonna come. Ngikhumbula Uchawuke, the one that Senzomewa's cousin came and then they had a recording. I actually did put the recording at some stage here on this channel where Uchawuke worked for Hawks. He was just saying, guys, are equal entirely case. But I just feel not enough is done to strike this case off the roll. Like, like, the case. Because honestly, guys, when people start to talk, you just like, guys. It's just like, I've never been to Fossil Ras and Klangane. At some stage, but I'm just like, no, like I said, Nango accused number 5, Officer Gutlontul. Guti yebo jailbird, yebo uyinkabelaizer, like how Pegicele said at ad hoc ukuthi ubelandwa abe inkabelaizer for some people and get a bailey enamacala amakhulu amangaka and then go back again to jail. Guys, my thing is that at the end of the day, all 5 of them did not analyze into me. Can we just get on with that? And then iphelele case. That's just my thing every day, you know? And that whole thing, Mncube is the one that actually came in storming into Domizodwa Kumalo's house with a gun, in 9mm, as Pekininda, just as much as Gutwa, the gun that actually shot Senzomewa was actually a gun with a wheel. Look, I'm just like, guys, when is it gonna stop? And you know, get the story footy of the teeth. That one is actually a broken record. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh. Like, go to wine amazinho, they were golden teeth or a golden tooth. Oh, okay. Say about a story because why is it doctor? And he demanded that doctor. Umnisu was like, I'm coming with you to go to the doctor to check in the Bamazinho. na 3 weeks ago ikhulunyiwe indaba amazinyo. It's done now. Akaze zabe ne-golden tooth. Please, can we move on now? Bese kuzoba umthoko noTumelo Madlala noZandile Lorraine Khumalo uzombiza kahle u-advocate Charles Mnisi today, like that whole thing yakhe uyamazi. When she came to court uyangazi ke mina I'm always repeated the same line, you guys, you don't know what you've done to my family. Go to Sisi, no one has ever done anything to your family. Stop lying. Sit down. Like, and except you know the mountains ubakhomba. They were just like, please, stop it. You never came to your house. Uzandi, Ncube nje at the end of the day, it's just like, you know what? You know what? I mean, I didn't come to Kelly's house as I was implicated by the state. I also don't know that logo at that house. I had a gun and then I shot sense. Please. I don't even know that house. I've never set my foot there. Umthobisi Mncube had his wish. Wavele washo kahle athi akamfuni uJonas. But I just feel also sisters is not really Zulu guys. But wayethi nje akamfuni uJonas and his wish came through for him.
And he was wearing a small tops on his head. He had big eyes. But I can be able to identify him if I see him again. Paragraph 11. The second suspect was behind the first one. He closed the door. He was a little bit taller than the other one. He was a little bit light in complexion. And I can also be able to identify him if I see him again. Thank you. Now, that is the description which Ms. Khumalo, Zandi Khumalo gave of the first suspect as a person that was in the house.
Did
you hear that description?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any comments?
If indeed she was describing me, my lord, she would not have mentioned somebody of dark complexion. Because I'm light in complexion naturally.
Yes.
So much. As they are explaining that two people entered the house, a black person and a light person, but I'm the one who is light in complexion.
So in terms of this description that was given by one of the prime witnesses who was in the house of the suspect who had a firearm in his possession, vis-a-vis how you know yourself, what would you say?
Manje kule ncazelo ke la inikezile ke wena ufakazi ke uZandile ke echaza ukuthi lo muntu owangena endlini ephethe isibhamu kube njani ke futhi ukuhlanganisa noma uxhumanisa nawe ke njengoba ngendlela ungakhona ungathini kulokho.
Ayihlangane nami le.
This thing does not involve or match me, my lord.
Ayihlangane ngoba kuhluke kakhulu.
The difference is massive.
Azange nje ngabadakhe mina.
I've never been a person of a dark complexion.
Thank you, Mr. Mncube. What about the fact that, because this is one aspect that Brigadier Gelinda hammered on several occasions, the aspect of the the color of the jacket that was worn by the suspect who is described in here, the one who had a firearm, who had a hat.
Manje ke lena ke iyona ke into ke uBrigadier Gininda ke ubeshaya kakhulu inkathi eziningi kuyona kakhulukazi ke umbala lo wejacket lo bogqoke ke lo umsola lo begqoke ijacket ke lalombala lo awushilo ngalolu suku.
Now, this is what Brigadier Gininda said as he was taken through the photo album of the photos that were downloaded by the state from your phone. He said on numerous occasions that that jacket that you are seen wearing, and they will come and deal with that photo album, that jacket that you are seen, or that item that resembles a jacket that you are seen wearing in your photos on the 26th of October 2015, as per the state's download of your photos, talks to this brown jacket or beach jacket that is being described by the witnesses here who were in the house, and hence he says that could only have been you.
Manje ke ngalenkathi uBrigadier Gininda ethula ufakazi bakhe ke ekhuluma ke nge-photo album, i-album le esithombe le yaveza la enkantolo ke le ekhombisayo ukuthi ke esithombeni esinye sakhe lesa-downloada from efonini yakho sikhombisa ke lokho okugqokile ke ungathi jacket ke enombala lo ongathi ubrown or beige. Yiyo into yamenza ukuthi asho yena ukuthi ke lowo muntu lowo ke owangena noma wangena ngasuku lolo wena.
Do you have any comment on this piece of evidence that was given by Brigadier Gininda?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho kuloko uBrigadier Gininda kushilo.
Hayi uye nje ongifakayo ngoba mina ijacket engigqoke likhakhi ngigqoke izinto ezikhakhi ngalela langa. So umuntu ongibonayo wayezothi umuntu ongenile wayegqoke impahla ekhakhi wayengeke specific kwijacket ukuthi ijacket ikhakhi.
Brigadier Gininda is the one that just involves me in this whole thing.